Hey guys, we're going to do our fluency practice. Today for fluency, we're going to practice following punctuation when we read. So we did that last week, we're going to do it again. Good readers follow punctuation when they read. We pause at commas, periods, and question marks. If we do not follow punctuation, it makes it hard to understand what we have read. Go to the next slide and practice reading the fluency passage and make sure to follow the punctuation. Read it at least 3 times and have an older sibling or parent listen to you read. If you make a mistake, I want you to start over and try again. All right, listen to me read the passage. The timeless Southwest. The United States of America is a large country. The Southwest is one part of it. People have different ideas about which states are part of the Southwest. The Southwest has countless visitors each year. Much of the Southwest is dry, sunny, and rainless for long stretches of time. In spring, it often rains and flowers bloom. Then the dryness returns, and the land is baked by the hot summer sun. Many people like to visit deserts in the Southwest. Hikers, campers, and bike riders spend time here, looking at the amazing sights and taking pictures. Native Americans lived here first. Spanish explorers came in the 1500s. Later, people from Spain and Mexico moved here in large numbers. People came from other parts of the world too. Many different people make their homes in the Southwest. Some live and work in cities and suburbs. The sun will soon set, leaving the southwestern desert in darkness, but it will rise again tomorrow on the enchanting land of the Southwest. All right, make sure you guys practice reading it 3 times. You're following punctuation. Make sure you're pausing at commas, periods, and question marks. Bye, guys.